What the f.
Engine obliterated. Punched a hole right in the piston. Well, if there was ever time to be speechless, it will be now. But now that I've changed my pants and some of the crying has stopped, we can see that my intake valve just sheared completely off. And it made a giant size hole in my piston. My Tata piston. Oh man, this is awful. Well, there we have it, folks. engine teardown, and the results of that being an absolute horror show. So obviously it's going to take me a little bit of time to get everything together. I'm going ahead and buying another Tata cylinder, and most likely going to try to get a Tata head, or at least a better head than this. So again, I'm going to tell you guys not to worry. We'll get it taken care of. And until then, my friends, I will see you later. Peace out.